निश्चित रूप में खुशी की भावना है। सचिन के साथ साथ CNR राव, उनको भी आज भारत रत्न जाहिर हुआ है। ये दोनों अपने अपने क्षेत्र में बहुत बड़े इंसान हैं और निश्चित रूप में एक ऐसे ऐसे कहा जाता है लाखों करोड़ों, मैं तो कहता हूँ लाखों करोड़ों नहीं, हर एक हिंदुस्तानी के मन में जो भावना थी उसे आज खुशी हुई है। और सचिन को भी मैं बधाई देना चाहता हूँ, अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूँ। और आशा है, सिर्फ आशा नहीं पक्का विश्वास है, सचिन आगे जो कुछ करेगा एक नया कीर्तिमान वहाँ भी करेगा। लेकिन सचिन तो पहले से ही भारत रत्न था ही, सचिन तो पहले से ही भारत रत्न था। काफ़ी जुड़े हुए हैं लोग और ये इतना प्यार, इतना प्रेम आसानी से नहीं मिलता। उसके पीछे सचिन की बड़ी तपस्या है और हर एक को लगता है कि सचिन अपना है। वो तो उसका व्यक्तिगत प्रश्न है, और लेकिन मैं तो, मेरा विश्वास है सचिन जो भी कुछ करेगा वहाँ भी कीर्तिमान करेगा।
Um, well, uh, Sachin, whenever he takes a decision, he thinks before he takes the decision. I'm sure he must have thought quite a lot about this particular one day. He has retired from one day, isn't it? And nowadays plenty of cricket is being played, like one day, then 2020, the test cricket, then IPL. So you must have thought very seriously that it is better to concentrate on certain games and give up a certain cricket. Because when you love something, it's very difficult to, sort of go away from there. It must have taken him a lot of time to decide. But he is such a person, he has always done a good service to the particular game, any game he played. So I'm sure he must have thought about it very seriously, has taken a decision to, stop playing one-day cricket. And another thing that now so much cricket is there ahead. So see, as you get older, he must have thought that, well, whether I should continue or not. And because of that, I am not getting the runs what people expect, and I also want to do it. He must have thought over these things, and accordingly he must have decided to, withdraw from one-day cricket. It's a big loss. It's a big loss to the Indian cricket, because his very presence and the way he played the cricket and the amount of joy he enjoyed and gave to the public was fantastic, absolutely unbelievable. And therefore, whoever is going to take his place in future is such a challenge to that person to live up to that reputation, to live up to his level. It is a big challenge to that youngsters. But after some time, that youngsters, once he gets a opportunity, his experience, goes up, and then we may not get like a Sachin Tendulkar, but we may get a good cricketer also. This happens in cricketing world. See, in the past it was Vijay Hazare, then Gavaskar, then Kapil Dev, like that. Somebody will come, because nowadays 5 cricketers have retired, like Dravid, Lakshman, Sachin, Ganguly, Kapil and others.